What is up, trappers? Check it out. There is a stang banger down there. We got the mini truck and the trap blazer. We are at Friday Fest here in Nappanee, Indiana, here on Lincoln Street. That's right, we are in the streets just like an intersection. Guys, look at this crowd of people down here. This whole street lined up both sides is full of cars. So that's what we're out here doing tonight. I know there's a truck meet here in town. We're gonna try and stop that, maybe get some coverage there. And then I know there's a bunch of stuff going on up north at Elkhart, that sort of thing, guys. So there's a notification that Trap My Ride is live, and there's Johnny and Abby walking off into the distance. But guys, we're gonna try and get up there to Night Therapy, Togue Sanctuary. Let's see who else is having a meet up there. Man, there's a whole bunch of guys. Everybody is up there, man. My crew, they'll be out and about. But anyway, guys, they got an old Cutlass here, the Mustang, everything's out all the way up the street, guys. We're gonna get this camera flipped around and we're gonna go around and check them all out. So that's what we're doing. Let's check this out, guys. You see, they brought out the old Cutlass drop. This is nice, man. I have this on big wheels, some subs in the trunk, top down, and I'd be rolling, man. This is a nice car. It's got the nice cream. Look at the inside of this. Beautiful black. Boy, it's a burn you up black with that top down, you see? Man, Stang Banger's out here in full effect. He come out here hanging out today, representing Stang Gang, Chevy Gang, Trap My Ride. That's what we're doing today, guys. Look at this, up the street here, we got some vets. A lot of old cars, man, a lot of old cars. Classic cars come out. This vet, it's got the wide body and everything on it, looks like. Flared fenders. Nice, nice. They got the Camaro out here, Chevy Gang, and the Nova down here. Look at this, little bitty vet, ready to go fast, and not nothing in this car, man. Man, this Camaro looks like it's a lot of original stuff right here on this. You got the Nova out here. This is one of the last Novas, guys. It's got the 4 doors, the trap blazers out here, mini truck, the blazer and the mini truck. We got the subs open in the back for the mini trucks out here, turned up. Got his nose stuck up like it's too good for everybody. You see it? You see it, you see it. Check it out. There it is, there it is. All the air ride. What's up, guys? I like that shirt, by the way. It's a nice shirt. Yeah. 5.0. Mustang's looking good, guys. There's a lot of people out here today. Look at this crowd, man. Boost, it likes to keep dropping my signal, man. Me and them dudes about to go around. We're gonna go up into that office and we're just gonna start breaking stuff and let them know what it's like until they fix it. Check it out, man. This thing's clean in here, man. Got the old Dodge. Look like Doc Hudson, man. Look at this ornament. Look at this ornament. You don't see ornaments like this no more. Look at that. See that? Man. This would be a nice car. Nice car on wire wheels. It would be, it would be. I got another Cutlass down here with some slug bugs. Man, this Cutlass is clean. Clean Oldsmobile. Look at this. Man, it's in good shape. If somebody's looking for one, here you go. Man, I like to have this Cutlass. Boy, I have this thing set up and it's nice inside. Look at that, guys. All original and clean. Somebody took good care of this car. Yes, sir, they sure did. And they got it on the old school white walls and them rallies. That's right. I think it's the Euro bumper. Everything on that Oldsmobile looks good. They got the Volkswagens out here. Slug Bug Gang, they're out here. Beetles. Man, these things got 1,000,000 miles on these cars, man. They just keep going. They got the Chevelle. The Chevelle looks good. SS 396 with the white interior, man. There it is, you see it? Man, check out this white, guys. White interior in this Chevelle is killing it, man. I like these buckets up front too. Man, it's looking good. Got the black rally stripes up here and the hood pins, everything. This is a big boy right here. Nice little Chevelle. They got the Bel Air out here. I think we've seen this up in Middlebury. This Bel Air is nice, guys. He got the Moonies on the headlights, everything. He got the 4-door Bel Air on the Moonies. Got the Corvette out here, C4 Corvette. He's on them saw blade wheels. That thing's clean. Look at this Chevy truck, guys. Man, I like to have that Chevy truck. It wouldn't be looking like that, man. But it looks good. It looks good. Man, look at this. They got the scooter on the back of here, man. We got him a scooter. That's a Cushman. See this? Hot rodding it out here, man. Look, this whole front grill. Whoops, excuse me. You see this? They got this whole front. See, they got the spider and everything on here, man. Yeah. Ooh, I see a 5.0 sitting back there, man. Man, I bet this is fun to drive. Jonathan, I can see you driving something like this. I can see you getting in it and just blah, 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 blah. Just giving it hell, man. It's too small?
Yeah.
Oh, you don't got no... It's got the rocker seat in the back. You could probably remove it. Man. This 5.0 right here, I like this. Reminds me of Vanilla Ice. And this is dope.
Yeah.
Man, these are my favorite Cobras right here. Same banger, see this? Man. Nice Cobra. Nice Cobra. You got the Herb shifter in there. Look at that, boys and girls. Yeah. It's like a 2000, 2001, somewhere in there. Cobra on the back. License plate say snake bite. Biting. Man. Look at that. They got the parking lot filled up out here. All down. This is the corner of Madison and Lincoln right here in Nappanee, guys. If you're out and about, you're bored, sitting around the house, want something to do, this is where it's at in Nappanee tonight, guys. Come down, hang out. They out here from, what is it, 5 to 9? Or 5 to 8? Which one is it? 5 to 8? No, I think it said 9 on the thing. I don't know. 5 to 8 or 9, somewhere in there, guys. Until everybody wants to leave, really, because they'll probably let it go until they shut it down. Man, got the Thunderbird here. I never really liked these cars, man. They're all right, but I like the two-seaters like this, the convertibles with the Tahoes. There we go. Now we're back. We just interrupted, man. I'm telling you. Y'all need to get in there to Boost and get on that head. Tell them they service sucks, man. We got a couple viewers with us. I can't see who it is. But guys, thanks for coming out and joining us. Appreciate y'all coming in to watch. It looks like Andrew right there on top. They line him up in alphabetical order, so I can always see Andrews. He come right at the top of the list. Hey, but he got a nice mini truck. Jonathan, the one that dude always posts or whatever, he's got the mini truck in Ohio.
Yeah.
He wants to get it done up, come hang out with us. He definitely needs to come hang out with us. Man, yeah, I know, that's a nice looking Honda. Let's hit this parking lot up. Check this out, guys. They got some vendors out here. I don't know what they got in these vendor shops. HHR right here. I don't know if I like their color, but it's different. I like this bright red, man. They are quick. Man, got the Le Mans. Oh, look at this. They got the Donk out here. We seen this up at Portillo's the other night, man. It's the one that's got that candy. It's just killing it, man. Look at this Von Dutch. Look at the top of this, man. Look at the whole top of this car, man. Look at that. Yep, they had this up at Portillo's the other night when we was up there because I was looking at this candy. Boy, it's like that paint's flaking like a crazy lady to live next door, man. You know what I mean? Look at that. Damn, somebody put some money and work into that. Look at the dump. They got it on the fat wheels too. Fat white walls, guys. There it is. Let's see. You see it, you see it. What does it say? De Niro? Cicero? Something like that. I don't know what it's saying. Man, the candy's killing it on this. Looks good, looks good. Look at that, guys. You see it? Man, the other day in the sun though, you could really see the green and all this. They won an award up there. This is a nice car. He was up there hanging out with my crew. See, he got the Chevy gang right there. Chevy gang all day, baby. Yeah, the Dunk looked good. Lake City Bank, they got the Brinks truck out here all done up. Check them out. Man. Here we go, here we go. You see it? All out here. That's a Studebaker truck, I do believe. Yeah, it is a Studebaker truck, man. How you guys doing? Man, they got the Thunderbird out here. Thunderbird looks nice. This is old Willie's. There it is. Got the old Willie's out here. Man, they got them another one right here. Check this out. You see this Thunderbird? That's the same thing as that Jag S-Type we had, man. All the underpinnings, they all share a lot of the same stuff, man. The thing's the same as that Jag.
That's my neighbor's.
But that's probably be a lot easier to fix, man. To get worked on. But it's the same junk underneath. It's garbage, man. Them cars ain't no good. I don't like them. I'll never buy another Jag. I feel bad for the dude that bought it. I hope he loves that car. I hope it does good for him and he don't have no problems, because I had enough headache for both of us. But if he knows how to fix cars, he might not have that headache. You see I have 442 on this Cutlass. We seen this one. We seen this up in Middlebury. This is a nice Cutlass, man. I like seeing this head. Alright, we're back, man. Y'all need to get on Boost Mobile, man, and get on that head for real. I like seeing this Cutlass every time they bring it out, man. This Cutlass looks good. I like the Kragers on it, but I'm telling you, I have 8s on the back and 6s on the front. This thing would be sitting up, boys. It'd be nasty. Man, this is a nice looking bug. It's probably one of the nicest bugs I've seen anywhere. Look at this, guys. And I like this color. Man, look at the inside of here. They got the bug done up for real, for real. Yeah, this is a nice looking bug. See? They got the moonies and everything. Yeah, this is a nice looking bug. They got this thing completely restored, man. Yep, it looks good too. Man, they got them S10 I sent out here. This S10 looks good, looks good. Carmen Gia sitting over there, you see it? Little Carmen. They got the Thunder Chicken. This is the same thing as that S-Type, man. A lot of the same parts and components from this are in that Jaguar S-Type. And it'll do them no good. Oh man, this thing looks a lot like that car on the inside too, the way it's laid out, everything. Man, these are pretty cool Thunderbirds though, I like those. Got the Camaro 327 out here. Now you know that's quick. They hit the pedal on that, yeah, you know it's gone. You got the Chevy gang, check it out. Corvette's out here with us, man. White Vet. Got the GTO. Man, see this? Yeah, see. Here we go, we're back again, man. They interrupt us again. Boy, I'm gonna get salty. Boost Mobile, I'll be at that office tomorrow, I promise you, man. Monday. You mess up my videos all weekend, I'll show up, I promise. Got the Trans Am out here. Man, it keeps interrupting my video. And it says I got 4 bars of LTE. I think Boost Mobile just sucks. Between them and Facebook, I can't get a damn video half the time. HHR is out here. All the vendors, guys. I don't even know what all they doing. Looks like he's selling juice there. Some knickknacks and odds and ends. Jewelry little stuff. Some art stuff. Man, they got quite a few booths set up, man. You got the Bugatti out here. Jeremiah Klein. If you see this, son, check it out. Here's an old Bugatti. We've seen a blue one like this before. Yes, sir. Man, here we go. We're back again. Let's look at the Bugatti, guys. Let's check this out. Maybe we won't get interrupted this time. Check it out. They got the orange 5.0 sitting here next to us. Check it out, Jeremiah Allen. There you go, buddy. You see the Bugatti? Yeah. Now you've seen a couple of them, son. There it is. Got the Coyote out here. 5.0 Mustang. Camaro out here. Look at that, man. This thing is tubbed out. Everything, man. Pro Street Camaro. This thing is nasty, nasty. Look at the wheels on this down here, guys. Look at the tires they got on this thing. You see that? Awesome, man. Look. Beautiful, beautiful car. Got the Pro Street up here. Check out the interior. Clean inside. Looks good, looks good. Yes, it does. They got the Jeep out here. They got all kind of LEDs in this thing, man. Look at these headlights. See that? Look bright as hell, you know it. Man, look at this thing. Bright orange. They got all mud truck tires. See that, guys? Power wagon. Oh, you're all right. How are you? There's a power wagon. Bright, bright power wagon. Man. Good turnout today, guys. Good turnout. Got the old vets in here. Man. All right, man. They interrupted us again. I'm going to be on that head. I promise you, man. When this video's over, I'm calling them. I'm telling them it's got to end. We're going to Verizon. I said it. I'm really fed up. I think it's been half the summer interrupting my videos. I'm done with that. We ain't going to pay another bill, not another month, man. And we're going to get a nicer phone. Yeah. Damn, man. The blue on this is crazy. Damn. I wish. All right, we're back again. Here we go. Guys, check his blue out, man. This is crazy. I wish the camera could see this blue like I see it. This is insane, man. I love this color blue. So nice. It looks so good on this car too. I really like this a lot. And that chrome, just this blue and that chrome, killing it right here, man. Damn, they got a hell of a color scheme done up. Look at that, man. Crazy, off the hook, just beautiful color scheme, man. Flows. I love it, man. I love it. Look at this. They got the metallic in this Ford hitting too. The bottom in this green. Look at this, guys. You can see down this fender. You see it? All kind of metallic and pearls, and that white too. Man, it's so clean. That's nice paint right there. Yes, it is. And the Jeep's looking good out here, man. Look at this red. A lot of nice paint out here today. Look. All right, guys. I'm gonna restart this phone. I keep getting interrupted, man. The service is terrible out here, and I'm kind of getting a little upset. I'm not gonna keep tolerating this. I'll call Verizon here in a minute. We'll do the rest of this whole weekend with the new phone. But guys, I'm gonna end this. I'm gonna try something, and we're gonna come back with a live video, and maybe that'll work for us. So we're gonna try it out, guys. Stay posted, stay tuned. We're gonna be right back in just a minute, guys. We're gonna cover the rest of this event. All right, we'll see you in a minute.